everybody. So happy to be in Arusha. It's bittersweet. Just completed my 4 weeks in Endulen. It's been very clear to me as I've come into the city of Arusha that I am a city boy at heart. I didn't think that I was. But I wanted to spend today, now that I'm checked into my hotel, Wi-Fi is a little bit more stable. I've had a hot shower, which was glorious. Just saying goodbye and thank you to the town of Endulen and the people that have supported it. Massive kudos to Projects Abroad, my team there with Reagan, who I had a nice pork barbecue dinner with last night. Beautiful Swahili food. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of shopping in the Masai market later today with him. Maple Corey, absolute legend of a guide, taking us around the bomas and the local villages. Father Albano, my host. All the kitchen and parish staff at St. Luke's Church and school, and just anybody else that I've forgotten. I know that I've made lifelong friends. So what I'm going to do now, since the cinematic approach that I keep on promising is becoming a little bit too taxing, is I'm going to use the GoPro-y automated style videos to scrap together some footage of some of my fondest memories and leave that as my thank you. That's a cow. This is where I'm staying. I can't believe that I'm actually here in a hotel in all this luxury. The best news was that my Kilimanjaro gear box was waiting for me. Had a little bit of trouble with the tax revenue authority. They wanted 22 US dollars. No, 45. We talked them down to 20. Probably could have gone lower, but why quibble when all my cold weather gear is in there, all my essentials, fresh change of clothes, and most importantly, Jif American peanut butter. So with that in mind, happy to be here. Welcome to my place. It's kind of strange, isn't it? It looks like a military compound almost. Wires in the high walls, but I have a proof. So thank you again, everybody. I will see you next on the top of Kilimanjaro, from rainforest to snow peaks to the roof of Africa. Peace.